this lockdown season, we really want to be an encouragement to each other to get stuck into the Word of God during this time. So we are going to be joining in together to follow a plan on the YouVersion Bible app. So you can join us on that. So if you haven't got the app, make sure you download it, and then you can just get in contact with us or check our social media to get the link so you can join the same plan. Let's get in the Word of God together.
How wild, beyond imagination. How kind, the nature of your heart. How extravagant.
On the 14th of November, you can join us on Facebook Live at 7:30 p.m, where we're going to be taking part in the big quiz to raise money for Tear Fund. So guys, get involved. It's going to be on Facebook Live at 7:30. So come ready to donate and come for lots of fun. Unfortunately, due to the new lockdown restrictions, we're going to be unable to host our physical services on a Sunday evening. However, you can now join us online on Zoom to join us for these services at 6 p.m. every Sunday evening. So you can sign up online to get the Zoom link. See you there, guys.
Glory, all of the glory belongs to you, belongs to you. All of the glory, all of the glory.
Don't forget to get your shoe boxes in for the Christmas appeal for Operation Christmas Child. You can get a box from church to fill in, or you can head to the website and pack a box virtually, and you can find all the details for that at operationchristmaschildorg.uk. So make sure you get your boxes in, guys, and on Sunday the 15th of November you can join us online at 11 a.m. for our special service about the shoebox appeal. So make sure you join us.
Belongs to you. More than a million words could say.
On Monday evenings at 7:30, you can now join us for our new Get to Know You series, where we'll be finding out some more information and faith journeys of people from Excel Church. So make sure you join us on Facebook Live at 7:30 every Monday.
Of all of our praise, of all of our praise.
Don't forget, this week is Bible study and prayer, so you can join us at 7:30 on Wednesday for that online. That's all for Excel News. If you want any more information, then you can head to our website or get us on social media to keep up to date. Have a great week, guys.